Email multiple payslips using tallyprime. At first, let us discuss about how to view multi-payslip. You need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports, select Payroll Reports, then select Payslip. Alternatively, press Alt plus G, then type or select multi-payslip and press Enter. Select the required employee category and employee group. Press Enter. The multi-payslip screen displays the particulars: employee number, account number, bank name and branch, amount and email ID for the employees. Press Enter on the employee names to view the single payslip for the selected employee. Button options in multi-payslip screen. Press F2 to change the selected period. Press F4 to view employee filter screen. This report to select payroll category and employee or employee groups. Press F5 to view the report without the details of the payroll category and employee groups. Press Ctrl plus H to display the details of a report in different views with additional details or for a specific period. You can also view other reports related to the current report. Press Ctrl plus J to view the exceptions related to the data displayed in the current report without closing the report. To view the employees without email IDs, press Ctrl plus J, then select employees without email IDs and press Enter. Press Escape to view the default report. Press F12 to change default view for the multi-payslip report. Show employee by categories and groups. Set this option to Yes to include rows related to category and groups. Set this to No to list only employee information. Show category or group total. Set this option to Yes to display the totals for category and group. Show grand total. Set this option to Yes to display the grand total at the bottom of the report. Show employee number. Set this option to Yes to display the employee number along with the name. Show employee bank details. Set this option to Yes to display the name of the bank and branch for each employee. Remove zero valued entries. Set this option to Yes to remove the employees with zero pay value from the multi-pay slip. Display name for employee groups or categories. From the display name style list, select how you want names to appear. Display name for employees. From the display employee name style list, select an option to specify how employee need to appear. Sorting method. Select the appropriate sorting method from the list. Now let's talk about email multiple payslips. Press Ctrl plus M from the multi-payslip report. Set the email from address, subject and email message if any and press Enter. Press C to set options as required and press Escape and press M to email the payslips for all employees. For email individual payslip to the respective employee, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports, select Payroll Reports, Then select Payslip. Select the employee and press enter. Press Ctrl plus M and enter the email details such as email from, email to, subject and email message and press enter. Press C to set options as required and press escape, and press M to email the payslips for all employees. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.